Hey friends, it's Nadine from the Maker's Heart Studio and welcome. It is Saturday night, February 8th, and I had such a wonderful time in church earlier this evening. Learned a lot about trusting God and believing God in difficult circumstances. I took some notes. Let me show you where they are right here. So if you don't know, let me just do a really quick flip through. This is my sermon notes traveler's notebooks. I take this with me on Sundays and on Saturdays when I go to church. And this is for Saturday night and Sunday morning. And this one here is for Sunday afternoon. And this is what I'm going to decorate and show you guys how I'm going to do the layout for tomorrow afternoon service. In the meantime, this is the notes I took today. And I'm going to go through it later tonight and just really, ground it in my heart and pray over some of the stuff that I learned because I want to hide a word in my heart. It's one thing to go to church and write it down and have a pretty page and all that good stuff. But it's another thing to go back and read the notes and really seek to apply it during the week. And so what I do is I will read the notes and I'll pray and I seek to apply it. But in the meantime, what I'm actually here for is to show you this particular journal and to decorate or to put, decorate is the word, set up a page layout for maybe the next 2 weeks because I realized that I am not set up. So this, again, as I said, is the traveler's notebook for the third service in my church, which is called High Flyer Service. And this service is dedicated to entrepreneurs, people who are starting businesses, people who want to start businesses, people who want to be great leaders. And just think of like a mastermind class or a self-improvement class that's grounded in scripture. So every 2 pages is it's 1 week because it's a lot of notes. Sometimes you get slides that I need to take pictures of and copy it over, handouts and stuff. So it's a lot of note taking, and it's all founded on scripture. And I'll tell you that in my own personal life and my own business life, I have grown so much and I've become so much more successful in learning how to handle my own business and my own clients just from being, in this service and paying attention and applying everything I've learned. So the format's going to be simple. I'm going to be using this brown craft paper sticky notes in there because one is for the scripture and the other one would be for prayer. And of course I have these kind of note cards or tip-ins. And I also in the back here have some extra paper for just in case all of that, don't have enough space, I can write there. And all the time, I usually don't have enough space, to be honest. For this week, which was last week, I'm missing some notes, and I think I pulled it out to share on an IG live or something, and I didn't put it back. So now I got to think of ways to keep this in there because it's not staying in there, and I don't want to stick it down. But anyway, let's go ahead because I'm talking a lot, and my aim today is to really show you how I'm going to decorate this page. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get my sticky notes out because this is fundamentally what I'm going to be decorating around. So I'll take one out and I'll put it in the middle of this page. So this will be for prayer. And on the other page, I'll put one, and this will be for scripture. Or scripture prayer, however it goes. Normally it's scripture first and prayer. There's always a lot of scripture in this service, just a lot of scripture. And so I'll write around here and I will carry a bit, a couple of these sheets. And if there's more scripture, I'll just take it out and stick it under there. And then when I get home, I'll secure it because this is the thing that I don't want coming out. So now I'm going to use some printables, and this set is actually from my Etsy store. And I'm combining sets, even though I really don't do it, but I'm just like, oh, why not, right? This set is from my Amazon set on Etsy. And then this is from a very old set. And I wouldn't even say it's very old because we are only in the 8th day of February. But the set was called Right Division. And there are some pictures of the typewriter and some flowers. It doesn't really match, but you know, it doesn't matter because I'm going to use it on these 2 pages or these 4 pages. So let's go. So I know that I want to write all here and here, so I usually just decorate the edges of things. I'm not going to tear any of my old paper out from books and stuff because I just don't feel like doing that. So I am going to just use just the stickers, just the ephemera stickers that I created. And if you're wondering what this is printed on, it's printed on clear sticker paper. And clear sticker paper is something that I recently fell in love with. I don't even know why I wasn't using it all the time. It is so crazy that I wasn't using it all the time. But I just absolutely love using clear sticker paper now. Now I'm not going to stick this down because under here is where I will write. I also have to be careful in where I'm putting the stuff because I want to have a lot of space to write in. So it says here, every story has room for a better ending. Create your own story, which is pretty ideal because this is a business, sort of a business journal for business ideas and all that other good stuff that you learn in an entrepreneurial service. I think that yellow is there, so I'm going to put this right here. Let me take this out. And see, it is so simple. There's no magic. There's nothing really to it. I'm just sticking stuff on the page. You know, as I feel it'll look good. Just stick it on there. There's some pens and to remind me to write the vision down and all that good stuff. And I'll put this E because that kind of looks kind of cute. I feel like there's some more green that's needed on this page, so I should have put this on here. Maybe I'll put the green leaf on that side. You know, sometimes you make stuff and you don't like how it comes out because of whatever reason. Oh, hold on. I think I can put this flower instead of that green leaf. And that's it. And I think that's all I'm going to do for this page. That's all I'm going to do for that page because I think that's a pretty good layout. There's a lot of space to write on there. And now I'm going to turn the page. And even though I have seriously 2 whole pages to write, this service is so much. You get so much content and stuff you learn from this service that even with these 2 pages, it's still not enough, which is fine. Because you know what? I love writing. I love journaling. I love when, you know, pastors take their time to give us a lot of good food, whether they're telling us something about business or how to live a godly life or marriage or whatever. I just absolutely love it. I just love it because I get to learn so much, things that I've never known before. And I have a butterfly there, so you know, right here is where I may put this live, love, hope thing. And now I still have tons of ephemera left right here that I can use. Maybe I'll put another butterfly up there because that was going to look really cute. Let's see what my time looks like. So it's about 8 minutes. So I didn't want this to be too long. So I still have all of this ephemera. So maybe I have enough for yet another page. Let's see. I do have. So, okay, so now I could set up a page for the week after next. So we turn again. And you know what? This way I'm not, I got to really stretch out the ephemera and I just love that. I have an idea for how I wanted to use this particular lamp, but I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to do the idea in this. I'm just going to, oops, I forgot. I got to put this on here. Maybe I'll put this below. I'll have some more space. And now I'm going to put my butterfly. So I put my butterfly on top of this to sort of secure this. You know, it's not going to come off, and then, you know, the paper goes under there. And this is dedicated to scripture. And put my leaf on there. And I know I have an E. I don't know why I put an E in this printable. I just did because I felt like, oh, well, why not, right? And I don't think I have enough for one more page. So I'll just remember that I need to create another page, and this is going to go up there, and maybe I'll put some more butterflies on this. So I have this much, but this is not really going to work on this page, so I can use this next week. I can use these next week or week after next for the other page. I'll take this out like this. And so I just almost nearly completed 2 weeks worth of sermon journaling layouts. And I did that in, you can say, like 11 minutes, because this is about how long this video is. So now I know I will need some stuff on this side, but I'm just going to put this on because I don't want to have anything left over. I'm trying to check in my stash to see if I have anything that could have worked, but I don't, not with the theme that I'm using. Sometimes I think I get stuck in a rut of what I want to use, but it's just how I am. I'm pretty methodical in how I create. And so that's it, guys. So let me do a flip through again. So it's in keeping with this format, which is just having sticky notes with scripture on and sticky notes to write your prayer on. And I do have this element to put on there. I totally forgot about that, so I'll put that on after the video is done. And this is it. So this will be for tomorrow, and this will be for next week. Any questions, any comments, let me know. I hope you enjoy it, and have a blessed evening. Hey friends, thank you for watching. This is Nadine from the Maker's Heart Studio. If you love what you see, please subscribe, click the like button, share, and be blessed. Have a great day.